Imagine holding a small, ordinary-looking coin in your hand, unaware that it could be the very key to unimaginable wealth and fortune. This is not just any coin, it's the 1995 US quarter dollar, a coin that, at first glance, appears no different than millions of others in circulation. But some rare examples of this coin carry a secret that could make their owners overnight billionaires. These quarters are the silent giants of the numismatic world, shrouded in mystery and cloaked in value that defies logic. While to some, it's just pocket change, to collectors and coin hunters, it's a treasure map etched in copper and nickel. In the realm of coin collecting, not all quarters are created equal, and the 1995 quarter dollar proves that beyond a doubt. Somewhere in that year's production, certain errors, die varieties, and exceptional minting anomalies occurred, turning ordinary coins into phenomenal finds. These aren't just flaws, they are rare fingerprints of history. Minting mistakes, double dies, off-center strikes, or even coins struck on the wrong planchets have catapulted specific 1995 quarters into a realm of value that borders on legend. These aren't mere metal discs, they're whispers from the past with a price tag that could change your stars. Now imagine discovering one of these error coins tucked away in a dusty drawer or hidden in an old coin jar. That one small piece of metal could be worth not just thousands, but millions of dollars. It's happened before. Private collectors, auction houses, and elite investors alike have placed jaw-dropping bids for such treasures, not just because of the coin's monetary worth, but because of the story it tells, the story of a once-overlooked quarter that defied fate. With demand surging for pristine and rare error coins from the 90s, the 1995 quarter dollar has taken center stage in an underground race for riches. What makes these quarters so valuable is not just rarity, but the mystery behind their creation. Were they accidents? Was it a rare combination of misaligned dies and timing? Or were they produced in extremely limited numbers, intentionally or otherwise, making them nearly impossible to find today? That enigma fuels the fire. Numismatists, the elite hunters of the coin world, spend years chasing after such anomalies, and when a 1995 quarter with one of these traits emerges, the competition to acquire it becomes intense, fierce, and expensive. The magic of the 1995 quarter isn't only in errors. Sometimes, it's about condition. A flawless, uncirculated specimen can fetch mind-blowing prices if graded by top-tier agencies like PCGS or NGC. Coins with a perfect grade, especially those that boast stunning natural toning, deep mirror-like surfaces, or strike clarity so sharp it stuns even seasoned collectors, become legends. Such coins are museum-worthy and have crossed the auction block for figures that most would associate with fine art or vintage cars, not coins. So why would someone pay millions for a quarter? Because for collectors, it's not just about face value, it's about legacy, rarity, and the thrill of owning something no one else in the world has. These coins are like hidden keys to ancient vaults, silent, still, and powerful. They are testimonies of America's minting history, echoes of an era when machines and humans danced together in intricate choreography, and a minor misstep created a modern myth worth more than its weight in gold. Many people unknowingly spend these coins, passing them along in daily transactions, never realizing they've let go of a golden opportunity. And that's where the tragedy lies. What if that quarter you used to buy a gumball could have bought you a mansion? That's why this 1995 quarter dollar isn't just a collector's dream. It's a symbol of lost fortunes and silent promises. It reminds us that sometimes the greatest treasures are hiding in plain sight, waiting to be recognized. If you're lucky enough to find a 1995 quarter dollar with a mint error, in pristine condition, or with something spectacularly unique about it, hold on to it with all your might. Don't rush to spend it. Don't sell it for pennies. This coin has the power to transform your life. One moment, you're just an average person with some spare change. The next, you're in a whirlwind of calls from collectors, auctioneers, and media, all desperate to get their hands on your coin. That's not just a transaction, that's destiny. So, before you toss that next quarter into a vending machine, take a closer look. Check the date. Examine the edges. Peer at the design. What you might have is not just a coin, it's a miracle masked in metal, a 1995 quarter dollar that holds within it the echo of history, the charm of rarity, and the explosive potential to make you a millionaire, or even a billionaire, overnight. That coin might be the smallest thing in your pocket, but its power is enormous. Don't ignore it. It might just be the key to unlocking your ultimate fortune.